Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to send money from the US to the Philippines using the GCash app. Now, to send money from the USA to the Philippines through the GCash app, you will need to use a third-party service like Wise or Xoom, as GCash doesn't directly support international transfers. So what we're going to do first is to create a Wise account. So sign up for a Wise account if you don't already have one, and then go to the Send Money page. So open the Wise app or website and navigate to the Send Money page. Now select the destination and choose the Philippines as the destination country. Next, enter the amount. So specify the amount that you want to send in USD. Choose the recipient. So enter the recipient's GCash wallet address and then confirm and pay. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. You can pay using a bank transfer, ACH, or card. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.